morning, happy Monday. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I am so sick, you guys. That was so hot, it was like burning my hand. But at the end of last week's vlog, I was started to get sick. I think you guys can probably hear it in my voice. I'm like congested. I have like an on and off headache. Like it comes and then it goes away for a little bit and then it comes back, and it kind of is like, I feel like I'm in a toxic relationship with this sickness. I've just been kind of laying low today, doing some work stuff like on the computer, just trying to let my body heal. I feel like I haven't been this sick in a while, and we have been so go with the move and working and just getting situated. It's just a lot, and I think it finally caught up to me. I wish it was summer. The last 2 days have been blue skies and beautiful, and I'm so sad that I'm like sick because I want to be able to go out and enjoy it, but it's still like really cold out. Maybe it's nice being inside because then I can just like look out and enjoy it, and I don't have to like experience how cold it actually is. I cannot wait for summer, you guys. And just seeing the blue skies today, the summer is going to be beautiful in this apartment because we're like right by the ocean. We're like a 10-minute walk from the ocean in this apartment. Wednesday morning. I am about to make breakfast because I work today. I've also been using this Morphe clear drip glass glazed. I like that this one's clear. It's normal, it's not plumping, it's not too sticky, and it's hydrating. It feels really nice. I really like it. I know that I like those because Morphe sent me like a big box of all of the shades, and I have used the ones with color a lot and love them. And I brought this clear one, but I want to keep it clear, so I'm only using it when I'm not wearing like lip liner or anything, because I like using it when I don't have any makeup on, just as like a hydrating like chapstick. Anyway, Kenan and I went to IKEA yesterday, and we were able to get a few things for the apartment, which was nice because then that meant we got to like check a few items off of the list that we needed to get. So we got my closet for my vanity, or not my closet for my vanity, my cabinet for my vanity, which was super tall, and we had to bring everything back on public transportation, so that was an event for itself. That was quite the adventure, but we did it. And we also got this, I want to show you guys this strainer. I don't know why, but I think it's just like the cutest thing ever, but it's just this strainer. I feel like it's so cute. But yeah, anyway, I built the cabinet last night, so it's all built and done and everything. I just need to like design it, but I put a few things on the shelves just to see where I'm at. I just need to figure out how to get my PR over here because it's all going to America right now. I can get it, I know, like the next time I go and visit. I just like wish I was able to film reviews and like do all of that because that was like so fun. I wanted to spend the morning with you guys while I get ready for work. I think I'm gonna try a Pinterest hairstyle today because I'm not really sure what I want to do with my hair, but I want it to be like kind of easy, so I think I'm gonna scroll on Pinterest while I eat breakfast and kind of see if there's any hairstyles that I'm like, this could be fun to do. Ever since I started doing those Pinterest hairstyle recreations, I actually like have gotten so much better at doing my own hair, which is so nice. Like I really feel like I actually learned so much from doing those. I'm gonna have some breakfast and scroll on Pinterest and see if I can find a hairstyle. Okay, I did my hair. It was really simple, and that's why I was like, okay, I think that's perfect. It's just like a tall cabinet. I'll organize that later, and that'll be nice that that's done. But I'm gonna do my makeup right now to get ready for work, and I think I'm gonna film a get ready with me. So that's where we're at right now. Okay, I just finished my makeup and I'm super happy with it. Now I have a few minutes to get everything in my bag, and then we gotta go. We gotta go, girl. Hey, it's like 10 hours later. I'm back and I'm about to take my makeup off and get unready from the day. I just knew taking my hair out was gonna feel so good. This morning I finished the Kiehl's Super Multi-Corrective Cream. I need to put a new cream, so let's pick one from the stash, from the little PR stash. This is the PR stash. So I need a serum. Okay, this is what I'm choosing between. Either the Doll 10 Doll Genius Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum with reishi mushroom, or the Dr. Jart Brightening Serum with vitamin B3 and vitamin C. And I love a good brightening serum because they make your skin just like radiate and glow. I love vitamin C anything. I think my favorite moisturizer I've ever used, like just regular, was the Ole Henriksen vitamin C. That one is the best ever. Like that was like the holy grail product for my skin. That one was when I went and rebuyed myself, like prior to trying PR and everything. And I'm curious if I were to go back and try it, what I would think now after trying all of these different products and brands, what I would think of it. Would it still be that girl, you know? Or was I just young and didn't know? I don't know. I feel like I actually tried quite a few and I still went back to that one. So I feel like it might be that girl. I also have the Lawless Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Perfecting Serum, which is a little bit more similar to the product I had used prior from Kiehl's. And I do love Lawless. If you guys have never tried Lawless lip plumping glosses, you're missing out. Those know how to make your lips look juicy. Like they literally look like they're dripping in juice. So good. So that's why I'm like, if I love that so much, maybe I'll love this. I think it's between this and this. I think I'm gonna try this. So I guess we'll see. It's like a whole thing you have to do. Okay, I'm removing this. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm like a scientist with this. Did you see that? No. Then I put this on. Oh my gosh. Put this on. And then I shake. Wait, I'm actually so happy I picked this one. This is so fun. I feel like I'm a scientist right now. Oh my gosh. Nice. Wait, I'm so happy I picked this one. That was so fun. Okay, well now that I've made my serum, I'm gonna take my makeup off. Guys, I actually had like a really good day today, and it's crazy how much my mental has improved just from like having my vanity again. Like I know that might sound a little like girl, but that really is like my happy place. And so now that I have it back and I can just like sit down and film my little videos, I just truly am so happy. And I've just like noticed such an improvement in like my mental, my happiness, being able to just like have my creative space. Let's try this serum. I feel like getting some vitamin C back in my skin will actually do a world of wonders. And then I use the Beauty of Ocean Revive Eye Serum, and then the 760 Skin Do or Dry moisturizer. And it's fine, like it doesn't make my skin break out. It seems to be pretty natural, but I don't think I would like go and spend my own money on it. Wait, did I just finish it? I think I just finished it. Nice, so then tomorrow I'll probably pick a new moisturizer. I just have like really dry skin, so I feel like I need a moisturizer that's just like super hydrating. And then my trusty lash serum. I've been back on my lash serum game, and Babe Lash, the best lash serum ever. Okay, I'm all ready for bed. I'm gonna go cozy up, have my tea, watch a show, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. I am literally so exhausted right now. I don't know why, I just feel like I did not sleep well. And then I had to get up early as well. But I just finished a meeting. I am doing laundry right now, and then I have a nail brand deal I have to film today. Then I also have to go to the grocery store. I'm still kind of sick, so I feel like I'm like still kind of recovering, and that's why I don't have the most energy. So I don't know. I've been drinking so much tea though, just to try to survive. I really want to make tacos for dinner, chicken tacos. I don't know, I saw a really yummy video. I'm trying to get more cooking recipe videos on my For You page again, because I used to always have cooking and baking videos come up, and it always just like made me feel so inspired, and I love to bake. Okay, I'm back from the store. I got all the stuff to make chicken tacos tonight, and I'm really excited, and I hope everything that I got is right. I feel like it takes me a bit longer grocery shopping here just because there are certain things where I'm like, wait, is that what I'm looking for? And then I have to do like a little bit of translation to make sure that what I'm getting is right. Okay, it is hours later and I finished the nails. The pink is a little bit more neon than I thought it was, but let me see if I can get the camera to focus. I did like French tip hearts, so I like hand painted hearts. But I will say that I love the polish. It's a thicker formula, so it's kind of like builder gel, but not really, but it's just thicker, so it's quality and it's sturdy, and I really like it. I definitely see more fun nail designs in the future, so yeah, I feel excited about that. But anyway, it's like almost 6 now. I'm so hungry, so I think I'm gonna start making dinner.
Guys, she's so fucking hot. Back up, back up, back up. I'm backed up.
You're finished? Tell me this is not the best thing ever. So good. Crispy, crunchy chicken tacos. The hack, honestly, is to grill cheese on your tortilla. We learned this from a restaurant called Holy Taco in Oregon, and having the grilled cheese on the taco, oh my gosh, chef's kiss. Anyway, we're gonna go eat this. Eat smack click. Saturday.
We're on this today.
It's Saturday. I finished working, grabbed some flowers, and I just set them up because the roses we had were dying. And I love, you guys know I love having flowers in the apartment. So this time we got tulips because we're in Holland. Why would you not get tulips? And I put some eucalyptus in the shower. I love showering with eucalyptus. So yeah, I'm not really sure what our plan is today. I think we're gonna just have dinner here, hang out, have a chill night. And we were out last night, so it's good to be chill tonight. We're about to run to the grocery store really quick to pick up some things for dinner. I found a really yummy recipe that we're gonna try, but the natural light that this apartment gets is literally a dream. Please look at this. Look at how beautiful. I just know in the summer it's going to be absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy we're literally so close to the ocean. And today is bright and sunny, and it's curing my seasonal depression, which makes me so happy, especially since I was like walking around with flowers. Feeling good vibes from today. Today was like the first day I feel not really sick anymore, which was so nice. So yeah, we're gonna run to the store really quick, grab the ingredients for dinner. Good morning, happy Sunday. I'm about to make a breakfast burrito. Last night I like scrubbed off all of my self-tan and I feel naked now, but I'm gonna reapply a whole new deal tonight because the confidence boost self-tan gives you is unmatched, okay? Can you guys hear the church bells ringing? Oh, it's so cold out. I wanted to see if you guys could hear the church bells. You guys, do you ever wonder how you got somewhere? You're like, how did I get here? I grew up in Portland, Oregon, and now I wake up every day in the Netherlands. Like, what? I mean, it does kind of make sense because my mom is Dutch, but still, nonetheless, the fact that it's actually happened, like what? Like I feel like I need to pinch myself all the time. I don't know, I was just like sitting here looking out on my balcony and I have a gorgeous view. I can see like old churches from my window. You can hear the bells, like everything. It's beautiful skies today. The last 2 days have been so sunny and beautiful. And it's curing my seasonal depression. But I'm sitting here and I'm like, how did I get here? Like this is so crazy. And I'm so grateful and so blessed. But I just keep having these pinch me moments where I'm like, wait, what? I'm gonna log out here. I'm gonna try to edit everything and then go to bed early if I can. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I'll see you guys next Sunday for another weekly vlog. Bye beauties.